Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix slow downloading speeds in Google Chrome and increase its overall performance on your PC. Let's dive right in. First, let's clear your browsing data. Over time, Chrome accumulates a lot of data that can slow it down. Open Chrome. Now, click on the three dots in the top right corner. Select More Tools. Then tap on Clear Browsing Data, or you can simply find it over here. Now you need to choose a time range, ideally all time. Then click on Clear Data. This removes unnecessary data and significantly speed up your browser. Next, what you can do is disable or remove any unnecessary extensions. This can consume resources and slow down your browsing. Click on the three dots. Now again, go to More Tools. And here you can find extensions. Tap on Manage Extensions. Now review the list and disable or remove any extensions you don't need by toggling off the switch or clicking Remove. Only keep the extensions that you absolutely need. Now, malware can also slow down Chrome. Let's check for any harmful software. Click on the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings. Scroll down and click on Advanced. Then find Reset and Cleanup. Then tap on Reset Settings to their original defaults. And it will ensure your computer is malware free and can significantly boost Chrome's performance. You can also need to make sure Chrome is up to date. Often updates include performance improvements. Click on the three dots again and go to Help. Then About Google Chrome. Here, Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them. Keeping your browser updated is crucial for optimal performance. And that's it. By following these steps, you should see a noticeable improvement in your Chrome download speeds and overall performance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.